hotel room at Malolos, Bulacan. I will be running tomorrow sa marathon. Ito yung nakuha kong hotel na malapit. Malapit sa New Malolos Hotel. 2-6 ang hotel nito. There you go. Okay. There you go. I hope I will have a rest. I hope I can rest. Sana makakapahinga ako. Para sa run tomorrow. Para sa takbo bukas. Okay, I'll rest now. See you. I hope buhay pa ako bukas. Remember, this is my first marathon mula nung na-stroke ako. This is my first marathon since my stroke 1 year ago. Okay?